In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to Clubhouse. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to Clubhouse, and then once you open up Clubhouse, as you can see, you will get a welcome message here, and Clubhouse is currently in beta, and the only way you can get access to it is if someone's got it already and they do send you an invite. But what you can do is you can sign up to Clubhouse for when it does eventually get released to the public. And that means you can reserve your username for when it is actually fully released. So all you need to do is click on get your username. Once you click on that, you will be prompted to enter in your phone number, so enter in your phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, you will need to go ahead and click on the next button. Once you click on that, as you can see, you will get sent over a text with a code. So go ahead and put in the code. Once you put in the code, it will obviously send you over to the next stage. So what you need to do on this page is enter in your name. Once you have entered in your name, what you can do is select the next button. And then once you click on the next button, this is where you will pick your username, and this is the username that will be reserved for you for when Clubhouse is released to everybody. So I've now gone ahead and entered in the username I do want to reserve, and once you are happy, you can click on the next button. Once you click on next, as you can see, we have reserved Ryan2MT for you, and we'll text you as soon as your account is ready. So you will go ahead and get a notification when Clubhouse is released and you do have access to it. So that's how you can go ahead and sign up for Clubhouse.